Maybe you understand me now. Sometimes you see that I'm bad. Don't you know that no one alive can always be an angel? When everything goes wrong, you see some bad. But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood. Baby, you know I'm so carefree, with a joy that's hard to hide. And then you see again that all I have to do is worry. Now you're bound to see my other side. But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood. By symmetry, I want you to know I never mean to take it out on you. My classic problems, I get more than my share. 'Cause that's one thing I never mean to do. Baby, you know I'm human, but you know I have faults like anyone. Sometimes I find myself alone regretting some little foolish things and simple things I've done. But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood. Don't let me be misunderstood. I try so hard. So don't let me be misunderstood.